Yes. I came back. Yes. You mean? I mean? Go on again. Go on, I mean, Kyrie. Yes. Come together.
High five. Yay, I made better. High five.
Wait, do my turn around. Come on, Kyrie. Come. Kyrie, come for party. Come for party.
Come,
Kyrie, come for party. Yeah. High five, Kyrie. High five. Kyrie, high five. High five, Kyrie.
High five.
Go back and come again. Kyrie.
You know, so you're saying start point.
Yes. Go back and start point. Come.
Yay.
Go.
Is you him tall? Hi. Yeah, he might turn door lock to you.
Mommy, come.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi. How are you?
Fine.
How are you?
Yes.
Come you walking baby boy you.
Hi guys.
I say my phone a buzz off, you know, people. My phone a buzz off, you know. I'm going to put my phone to carry me see I walk. Carry onto them. I go crazy because them see them boy I walk. Come walk. Come now. Yes, alright.
Alright, I'm going to change it up,
Yeah. Alright. May I put on the mirror? Come. You say? When I have me a walk man mums.
Walk up and down.
I have me a training mums to walk, yeah? Yes, Kai, you've been doing a good job.
Let him go. Don't make him walk. Don't hold him again.
Carrie, what the movie, Jaden? Have you all the time?
Alright.
Carrie, what the movie?
Lollipop must walk.
Alright.
Hush, Carrie. Hush. Alright, yes.
Walking baby. You want the camera? Say hi. But then what you're also talking, right? Say hi. Say hi, this one. Say hi, this one. Say hi, this one.
Hey, say hello.
Yes.
High five, Carrie. High five. High five. High five. Yes. High five. What you mean?
Hey guys, we have a story time we need to tell you about Kyrie. You know, the fact that Kyrie can do high fives is just the most amazing thing. You might look at it and say, yeah, so what? But trust me, I'm gonna tell him the story time. I couldn't know say him doing a high five with his left hand is just the most amazing thing. Okay? Tell him you're Kyrie.
High five. High five. High five.
Hey guys, Kyrie grandma said Kyrie bring up him little back teeth. So you know back teeth that that's one right. Back teeth, yeah. That's one right. Yes, and him can do that now. Him love making sound to his mouth right now.
Proud daddy here, you see it guys?
You there? So I came home and saw him doing that. Oh, we have a walking baby. Soon be a running baby.
At his brother.
Tell him say once Kyrie start walking, I'm gonna start run. Because then that is gonna be the next challenge. Running down Kyrie.
Hey. So guys, Kyrie a run like big man them days, yeah, you know. You see it.
I worked out of town today. I went to OT. And when I go to OT, there's always this one supermarket I always go into because they always have like items that I don't normally find in other supermarkets. So I'm gonna go there now and guess what I found. But after Carrie come, I'm buy 2 of them. Come I say, mums, I will love this.
Yeah.
So a long time I look for it because I've been looking for it too. I just can't find buttermilk.
So them have it in the liquid too, you know.
Yeah.
And them have it in the back like the milk, the gallon or the half gallon.
But the milk one is just impossible to find in Jamaica. But I find the milk powder, so at least I got the milk powder and I have other stuff.
So which recipe you want to do with this milk?
Maybe buttermilk fried chicken, guys.
You can
You hear it?
Yeah, buttermilk fried chicken.
You say
That good.
and I got some other stuff too.
Fried chicken, you know, when they do the fried chicken with the buttermilk, it's extra nice. Extra crispy.
So I look out for that for your channel.
Yeah, man, you can do a fried chicken video.
Alright.
Yeah.
Great. Also guys, check out this Instagram right here, guys. An Instagram account here, right? It's a relative of mine. You see me, I say she have a clothes business, guys. Yeah guys, so check it out. Urban Retail Clothing. You get me, I said shipping all island in Jamaica, guys. Check it out. Urban Retail Clothing, guys. Them have the thing them from foreign, guys. You see what I said? Check it out. Urban Retail Clothing right there on your screen. Link will be in the description as well. You see me? Also, them pillow here. Link will be in the description as well for that. You know, you get a nice. You know, you can customize it anyway, like guys. Just send them a DM. Alright, then we help you out with that. You see me? Yeah, man. So Jay, what do you think about Kyrie Walking?
Kyrie Walking is so exciting.
Yeah.
You so have to see, you so have to run down Kyrie like say I run down Usain Bolt. That's how Kyrie fast. And when you creeping.
Hear him?
You want to be in the conversation. So I got some spices. I got star anise.
What is that? What is that for though?
It's a wonderful Indian spice. You use it for baking and other stuff like that. It's nice. Yeah.
What name?
Star anise. You can use it for baking and for
guys, have you guys ever seen this before?
Stuff like that.
I've never heard about this. Star anise.
Yeah.
What is that?
That spice? What is that?
And I got fennel seed. That's definitely Indian spice.
What is used for cook?
Oh, you can use this to make the rice. It's like the rice that we had
it's cheap, it's expensive. $130.
You see the rice we had at the Indian restaurant? Yeah.
Fennel seeds was in it?
Yeah, that's what they use.
Oh. And what is?
That is fenugreek. I use that for
fenugreek. Me hear that name already. What is
that
used
for
for?
my ear. I'm gonna use it to put as a treatment for my hair. And I know it's a sugar like that.
Chili.
Yeah.
Ah, chili. Yeah, me love spicy food, you know. Yeah, me love spicy food, so the chili will work for me. Yep, yeah man. So Kyrie, making sounds with your mouth.
Him learned that, I think you learned that yesterday or the day before yesterday.
No, not yesterday. Months ago. No, 3 months ago. Ima like do this, guys. Ima do this. Long time now.
Yep. Yeah man. It's a good look. So guys, today Kyrie turned 1 Monday and today a Thursday. So smack on 1-year-old Kyrie start walk. Remember Malaika, which is your niece, walk exactly on her birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah. What you say about me, mommy? Come here, you mentioned something, you know.
Yeah. 1 year old, exact one age and walk. Him walk 1 year old.
Exact one on my birthday?
One. Not really, but one. It's like a couple days or so.
Okay.
Same way.
Yeah.
And Amanda the same thing. 1 year old.
Wow.
Only Jaden walk early.
Jaden walk 10 months. Jaden walk and talk 10 months, guys. Watch you see him there? He walk and talk 10 months, guys.
But Kyrie did a step, you know.
Yeah.
He need us coward. He need us coward.
Step long time.
Yeah. From Kyrie was like 6 months.
Look on Kyrie, look on his
Kyrie
face.
old and stand up.
You see Kyrie now, you see him settle now, we have a conversation and he just settle down and he must listen.
Yeah, he's listening.
Yeah, he must steer in your mouth.
Attentive.
Yeah, him not ramp now, you know, him settle.
Yeah.
So
He's very attentive, but he has been standing from 6 months, you know.
Yeah.
And he must stand up like by himself without owning on to anything for about 2 or 3 months now. But him just cover like carry a walk with my little finger, like with my finger in him and like this. And I not give him no support. But all he wants is just to have my finger and walk with him. So you know what I do? I just drop down my hand when I walk with him. I don't give him no support. So literally, in a few mind, you know, he has support, you know, but I'm not really giving him support. So I'm glad you get the confidence now to step off on your own, son.
Yes.
Step him out, walk.
Walk and yeah.
Yeah, Angel have the footage I'm going to show.
Yeah.
Like a real walk.
Yes.
Walk and talk from 10 months. Hey, remember one day me I fly out, you know, me fly up on Jaden's birthday one time, you know. We booked the flight.
I remember.
You remember that? I remember the picture. The picture you remember, well, like, I remember that.
I don't remember.
Tell me what you remember, say. Tell
us what you remember.
I remember you were driving in the car and then you take me out and then I don't know what happened, but I remember you walking away.
Okay. Hey guys, so actually when Jaden was turning 1, somebody actually booked my ticket for May 10, 2013. I was gonna travel that year. And me never remember say Jaden's birthday. So luckily at least me did have Jaden pan my birthday. No, me never correlated. Me know Jaden's birthday, you know. But when I book the ticket, I now book it and say, oh, May 10 at Jaden's birthday, you understand? So, it ended up saying I fly out on the day. I have all the picture on Instagram. You can check it out. I go insert the picture right here. And you can follow me up on Instagram, guys, Daily Energy. I posted that picture from 2013 over there. Yeah. So, remember that time the Jaden was already walking. Good walk, long time and thing, you know? But yeah, typically babies walk when they are 1 year. You see?
And again too.
Yeah.
And again, some babies, you see what Kyrie was doing? Kyrie teed, him talk, Kyrie attack him a teed and I do everything one time, but him leave the walking for last. Some baby Kyrie age like 1, maybe them having all 3 teeth and them something, they say you can't really compare the baby them and say, look there, the baby there 1 and them a walk and them way. You understand? Baby do different things and more things. Whether baby there, so you can't even really compare the baby them more time. You know? Yeah, if you just make them do them thing.
Kyrie just do everything. I Kyrie teeth them 2 times. Him do 3 teeth, him bottom teeth and the top teeth out the same time.
6 of them one time.
It just come up boom. Yeah. And then the back teeth them now, all them, I guarantee you all them gonna come up one time again. So him just wait.
Guys, you see Kyrie there, I don't ramping again, you know, Kyrie, I like him just carry us in the reason we do right now, you know.
See there? He's actually pushing up at the side right so.
Yeah, so him have 6 teeth out.
He used to love them too.
And then 2 other little one are come up.
You see right here is a crack? Right here is a crack?
Yeah.
Kyrie I bite everything. Kyrie I bite him eye chair. He might bite the glass table.
When by him teeth that are crack?
Yeah, him teeth. It have a little chip in it.
Wow.
Because he might bite everything, like he might test to see where him teeth can bite through, you know?
Guys, Kyrie leaves scratch marks on the table. Let's come show them the scratch marks.
Because guys, what end up by this is some padding, you know, to protect him, you know. I know that Karen mentioned this in the comment too, you know.
Oh, okay.
Karen mentioned this in the comment when I will again one of our long time subscriber. She did mention it. Big up Karen, man, you see it. Karen mentioned say we can get the thing for the table and from that we look for it and thing, you know?
Yeah.
So we get it because I mean
Kyrie bump his head, Kyrie's tall enough so when Kyrie and him now look where I put him head on him bottom. So he might walk and him twist and him head just lick up all the time. So we just put it around his so him can stop. But when your head lick up, you see him feel the part when
You rub it.
you rub section will lick up.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah,
Come.
man.
Walk to daddy. Walk to daddy. Walk for mommy.
Take him up. Take him up faster, Cass. Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah.
Walk for
Come. Come, Kyrie. Come, Kyrie. Alright. Come, I'm gonna make you walk. Come sit down and hold the camera, babe.
Funny man.
Sit down and hold the camera.
Kyrie frustrated now.
Go. Hey, mommy, I would definitely want to come to your mommy.
walk.
Go
Walk
to mommy. Go
walk
to
to mommy. Yay! High five. High five, Kai. High
Go
five.
to mommy.
High five.
Yeah, man.
Good job.
Hey guys, so you know, we're gonna leave you with that, you know, guys. Are you buying a strawberry to babe?
Yeah, I bought some stuff.
Alright, nice.
Kai love strawberry.
We're gonna leave you with that. You see what I say? So yeah. Also guys, check out Kyrie's first birthday vlog party. Sorry. Also guys, check out Kyrie's first birthday party coming up, guys. That'll come out soon. You see what I say? So yeah. Yeah man guys. So thanks for watching as always. Do remember, follow us over on Instagram, the Del Pratt family on Instagram, guys.
Cassie does life JA.
Yeah man.
And the Del Pratt family.
Yeah man. You see it?
Show them this.
Yeah. Watch out.
Carry eat mango.
Yeah. Watch him now.
Yeah, eat mango today, Kai.
Totally.
Yeah, guys. So, but you know the thing go? You know, we out, guys. We out.
Peace.
Peace.